connected through this live session of this Pharma Job Portal. It's my great privilege and pleasure to join all of you on this occasion of 73rd Republic Day celebration. When India is celebrating this 73rd Republic Day celebration, I got a chance to interact with you all people for interaction of these pharma related topics. So I just wanted to wish you all a very happy Republic Day from this live session. I have few lines for the soldiers who have sacrifices their life for us. बलिदानों का सपना सच हुआ, देश तभी तो आजाद हुआ. आज सलाम करें हम उन वीरों को जिनकी शहादत से ये गणतंत्र हुआ. आजाद भारत में जीते हैं हम, आगे बढ़ने का ख्वाब देखते हैं हम. भारत फिर से सोने की चिड़िया बन जाए, ऐसी कोशिश करें हम. और इन्हीं लाइनों के साथ मेरी ओर से, मेरे पूरे फार्मा परिवार की ओर से सारे भारतवासियों को और उन सभी लोगों को जो भारत का रिप्रेजेंटेशन अलग अलग देशों में कर रहे हैं, गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ. So with this few lines for these soldiers, I would like to share that the subjected matter I was requested to share with you all is among all of you is the purification and quality of water for the pharmaceutical industry. So today, before starting this live session of this pharmaceutical water for this pharmaceutical industry, I would like to thank Shri Santosh Karmakar sir, who is employed with a very renowned pharmaceutical industry at a very senior position, for all guidance and support you are providing me for the last few years. And he is my guide and my mentor. With this live session, I would like to thank you, sir, for all your guidance and support you are providing me every time and resolving my query with respect to these pharmaceutical topics. So, along with this mentor, with my mentor and guide, I would like to thank you all my pharma friends who are connected virtually from India and abroad for all your affection and love, and of course, the young generation of pharma industry who are eagerly waiting for this live presentation that are being released to this Pharma Job Portal. With all the community members and subscriber of this Pharma Job Portal, it's all who you are truly making this portal a community of transpiration and inspiration in which we discuss the key elements of pharma industry. So with these few words, I would like to share that whatever I'm going to discuss with you all this evening is totally depend upon my past experience and knowledge I gained over the past 15 years in the pharmaceutical industry. With these few words, let's start today's discussion on this purification and quality of water for pharmaceutical industry. During my presentation, I will put off my camera for the better quality of the PowerPoint presentation. As Sannyasi ji like to share that we will have a question and answer session. Whatever may be the query you may have during this session, you please write on the comment box, and we will try to resolve your query online during this question and answer session. If due to some reason we are unable to answer that question just only because of the time constraint, definitely we will resolve this query and we will forward this answer to your mail IDs. So let's start this session. The topic is purification and quality of water for the pharmaceutical use. So here is the disclaimer. With the disclaimer, I would like to say that the view and the opinion expressed in the following PowerPoint is slides are those of individual presenter and should not be attributed to any organization with which the presenter is employed or affiliated. So as per the Slovakian proverb, it is said that pure water is a world's first and foremost medicine. As we know that the water is the most widely used raw material in the manufacture of active pharmaceutical ingredient, in intermediates, in finished dosage forms. Thus, it plays a very important role in the pharmaceutical industry. Today's topic, we will cover the few topics with respect to this water related points. That is, very first thing we are going to discuss is the source of water. Second thing, drinking water quality and requirements. Types of water used in pharma industry. quality standards of purified water, impurities of raw water, bioload reduction, in which we will cover the disinfection by chlorination. Then chlorination, in the topic, this topic, how it works, preparation and reaction, disinfection by ozone. In this session, we will discuss about the advantages and disadvantages, dechlorination or the sodium metabisulfate treatment, sand filter or the multigrade filter purification, activated carbon filter purification, softener purification, and filtration through the cartridge, reverse osmosis purification, and mixed bed deionizer purification. So here are the some very important initial stages of this water purification: source of water, types of water, quality of water. We are going to discuss side by side with the help of this PowerPoint presentation. So the very first thing, the source of water. So whatever the water we receive in this pharmaceutical industry, definitely we will receive it either the natural sources or from the other sources. We get the water from the natural sources like waters, reservoirs, deep bore water, and some combination of these. And sometimes we also get the water from other than the natural source like government supply or the power or the private supply regulated by the government norms. For countries without a legislative or administrative framework, they generally followed the WHO guidelines. In India, we followed the BIS standard for the drinking water parameter. So we may say that there are several natural sources. Now let's see the quality of drinking water as per the quality norms. We may say that drinking water standards was first published in India in 1983 and revised in 1991. There is again revised in 2012 and to upgrade it in line with the global specification like that of the WHO and EU. Thus, we can say that the latest version for the quality and requirement for drinking water is BIS 10500 published in 2012, which sets physical, chemical, and bacteriological parameters to ensure the potability of the water. Drinking water quality for the countries without a legislative or the administrative framework for such standards, WHO publishes the guidelines. Like I said, I shared in the previous slide that in India we are following the BIS standards. So, like latest guideline of Bureau of Indian Standard 10500 published in 2012, the quality tests are categorized in six tables. These tables are starting from table 1 to 6. In table 1 to 6, they have categorized different quality of water based on and their quality analysis, and we will discuss here one by one. In the first table, they have given the organoleptic and physical parameters of characteristics, test, and quality parameters. In this table, six tests are mentioned like color and Hazen units, odor, pH value, test, turbidity, and TDS. So in second table, the general parameters